Yo, what is up, guys? No Brim Hat Kid here. We got a banger for you today. So you know Pixie Sticks, not sponsored. Yeah, we put it all in like a bowl, and we're gonna microwave Pixie Sticks. So yeah. These should like work. Yo, let me get a different bowl real quick. A little bit small. Alright, we changed the bowl. Now set it in. Hope nothing happens. We're just gonna put it in for like 20 seconds. Can you guys see it? Fuck, wrong thing. I can't make it a little bit better. Nothing's gonna happen right now. I think it will melt. I don't know. We'll see. We'll put it in for another 30 seconds after. We want this thing to like happen. Bye, boys. More seconds. Then I'm gonna make a pizza soon, boys. I might do it right now, though. Hey, should I do it? I need to get the ingredients real quick, and we're gonna make a homemade pizza. It's gonna look like shit, though. Alright. 10 more seconds. Pixie Sticks, you should sponsor me, though. Let's get. Just warm. Ugh. Nothing really happened. Dude, it's hot. I mean, Pixie Sticks after a while just short Pixie Sticks. That's a good idea. Alright, boys, if you loved the video today, subscribe, leave a like, turn post notifications on, because I post almost every single week. I post quite a bit because I'm just starting my channel, so I need trying to get to 100 subs because I need the content, boys. If I want to like make some pizza, like homemade pizza, I'm gonna need money. So subscribe, leave a like. Feel free to put a comment in. I'm gonna do a workout routine soon because I've been getting that big gang soon. I've been working out pretty much every single day. So yeah.